Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw with the MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our brand new Boston Whaler 27 Vantages. 27 by far has been one of Whaler's most popular dual consoles. Great family boat, also gives you the ability to fish. Wonderful ride and very low maintenance. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat. I'll point out some of the options. This one does have your blue gel coat right here. It does have the hard top, which is very popular. This one's got the big 300 Verados joystick piloting, and the white Verados are also an option. We'll get into joystick piloting in just a second. So this one's also equipped with the fish package, which gives you extra rod holders here. Gives you rod holders off your hard top. Nice recirculating bait well underneath here. Nice deep gunnels. And you have, of course, lots of rod holders all the way around, plus cup holders, which are very important. In the back, this aft seat rolls out right here. Dedicated storage for your cooler. Digital throttle and shift. Very easy to do your maneuvers at the dock. This one's also equipped with active trim, which basically is going to automatically adjust the motors for the optimal whole shot cruise, wide open throttle. This is your joystick. So when you're docking, this is very, very easy. Also incorporated is going to be your autopilot plus skyhook. Fully enclosed head. This one has the canvas down there, but this is your traditional vacuum flush marine head. Overboard discharge, dockside discharge. This one does have a windlass. Very, very comfortable up front. Plenty of seating, lots of storage. If you notice, she does have the powder-coated hardtop, so that's little to no maintenance on these. So this one also is equipped, with your JL audio speakers, Fusion sound system, and it does have a cockpit and a bow cover. So if you'd like some additional information, again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. Feel free to give us a call here at MarineMax in Venice. The number is 941-485-3388. And thank you for taking the time, and we hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.